back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing this hair that I got from the beauty supply store that just opened up at my house. So I just installed it. This is the outcome. This is how it's looking. Very nice, sleek, very grown-up-ish. I love it. So yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this video if you're watching, and subscribe for more videos to come. I will be doing like makeup tutorials, skincare videos, hauls, Amazon reviews, you name it, and vlogs as well. So y'all stay tuned for all of the new videos. I also got my new camera, as you guys seen in my Insta. I did cop it, yes. And yeah, I'm loving this hair. This is what it's looking like so far, with the little curtain bangs, a little curtain bang, like little bangs here. Very grown up. You should really like it. Love the color. This is a really quick install, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. And it's not that long, I don't think, so I'm gonna try to edit it to where it's not too long for you guys. So, but yeah, I'm loving the hair install. It's very beautiful, very clean. I love the bangs. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to that. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done. You used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be mine. You talking more and more. I just think we ever be short. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause it's love I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. And we know you can tell me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what it's done. He used to be out of reach.
let your act out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make some simple change to me, a war in my mind. Let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. Oh, away from all my favorites, yeah. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good living in my mind. Hold me on my feet.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away.